Hi, this process is sales order. Can we see the process step by step? Select the quotation. Multiple quotations will be available here. We should select the quotation here. Once we are selecting the quotation, approve date, reference, quantity, quotation validity date, and customer details. We can get the customer details here. Customer number, name, CR number, email, contact person details, address, payment details. Come to quotation details. Once we are selecting the quotation, we can get the detail of product. Here product name, available quantity, minimum price, MRP, quantity, discount, price, everything it will be available quotation details. Come to exit order. If we have any exit order, it will be available here. But we don't have at present exit order, so that's why here it's not there information about order. Exit order. Add the new order. Here we have to select warehouse. Which warehouse we got the order. And remarks. We should give the remarks here. Here, here add the new order. Here it will be product name, barcode, everything information. We should give the order quantity here. Once we are giving the order quantity, discount amount, VAT value, and total of after details will become net bill after discount, VAT, total discount, gross bill, total quantity will be come here. Then come to place sales order. We can able to place sales order here. Once is place the order, generate the order here, sales order here. Come to cards. In cards, all transactions will be available. Sales order. Come to sales order, we can see the report. Sales order. We can see the sales order here. All about sales, customer details, quantity, product, item code, description, unit, quantity, price, amount, total amount, VAT value, discount, subtotal, everything we can see the terms and conditions as well. If we want, we can print out and send it to customer. Here, we can download and send it through mail. Also, we have option here. That's it about process.